In this video, we're going to take a look at Simplisafe and Ring security system to see which is better for you. So I have a list with different features. So as you can see, we have setup, equipment quality, monitoring, smart home, app and alerts, and pricing. So you're going to start with Simplisafe. Now, as you can see, easy DIY setup, no tools needed. Equipment quality durable, professional grade sensors, monitoring 24/7, professional monitoring, paid plan, so you need a paid plan for this. Smart home, so integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant. Then you have the reliable app, instant alerts, and the pricing, equipment cost upfront plus monthly fees. Then we have Ring security, DIY, but some devices need wiring, good quality, focuses on cameras. Now monitoring, optional professional monitoring, mostly self-monitoring. So you're gonna watch on your app, on your mobile app, and it will also record. So then we have deep Alexa integration plus Ring ecosystem, and the pricing, lower equipment cost, monthly, optional. Now choose Simplisafe if you want a simple, reliable security system with professional monitoring. Choose Ring if you want video-focused security and strong smart home features with Alexa. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.